In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate due dates in Wrike. Let's start inside your Wrike workspace. First, make sure you're logged in and that you have access to the relevant workspace or space where your campaigns are stored. From the left-hand navigation, look for your campaign management section. This might be a folder or a space, depending on how your team has organized things. Go ahead and click into that campaign management area so you can see your list of campaigns in the main table or list view. Once you're in campaign management, locate the specific campaign you want to work on. In this example, we're using a beginner campaign, but this process will be exactly the same for any campaign in your account. Click on the campaign name to open up the campaign's tasks or items in the table view. You should now see columns for different fields, such as task name, assignee, and possibly dates. Next, you'll need to find the area where due dates are displayed or can be activated. In many Wrike setups, there will be a date or due date column in the table. In the guide, this column is highlighted. Move your cursor over that highlighted column header or the cell associated with the task whose due date you want to set. Click on the highlighted area to activate editing. If you don't immediately see a due date column, you may need to scroll horizontally or adjust your table settings to show it. After clicking the highlighted column or cell, you should see an existing date, like a sample date in January, or an empty field if no due date has been set yet. Click directly on that date or on the blank date cell to open the date picker. This is Wrike's built-in calendar tool that allows you to choose specific due dates. When the date picker opens, you'll see a calendar view. From here, you can click on the highlighted section of the calendar to navigate to the correct month and day. Select the exact date you want to use as the due date for this task or campaign item. As soon as you click a date, Wrike will update the field in the table. Finally, if there's a labeled field associated with that date, such as a name or description for the milestone, click into the highlighted text area and type in the appropriate label. This might be the name of the deliverable, the phase of the campaign, or any other descriptor that helps your team understand what's due on that date. Once that's entered, your due date is active, clearly labeled, and visible right from your campaign management view in Wrike.